Hi all. We are going to study one new software that is Microsoft Excel 2010. This is actually used for calculation purpose. Okay. And here you can see one table. Can you see the table? Yeah, there are some names and the marks they got, and here we can see their average, and there you can see the total marks and all. This is actually a written form. Okay, you maybe know teachers will do like this forms. Anyway, after some days, a boy or girl came and he told, "I got 40 marks in maths. You put only 39 marks here. What will happen? Yeah, we want to rub and we want to change it into 40." And at that time, the total will change and average will change. So everything we want to correct. But if we are doing this work in Microsoft Excel, we don't want to correct the total or average, because once we change here, the change will affect the total and average mark, and it will be automatically corrected. Okay, we don't want to add again, we don't want to find out the average again. So it's very easy. Okay, so let's study how to open Microsoft Excel in the computer. Now you can see, yeah, let's study the steps. First you want to click at the start button. Okay, first you want to click at the start button. Okay, I'm going to click the start button. All program, here you can see Microsoft Office Excel. Okay, we can directly open from here, otherwise all programs. Then Microsoft Office, can you see Microsoft Office somewhere? Yeah, Microsoft Office, and then you can see Microsoft Office Excel. One X is there. Okay, that is Microsoft Office Excel. Click over there. Then let's wait. Yeah, this is the page. We can increase the size or we can enlarge it in this way. This is actually one page of a Excel. Okay, this is called spreadsheet. Okay, so this is a spreadsheet. I hope you understood. This is actually a workbook. Okay, because it have many pages. Sheet 1, this is actually the sheet 1. Okay, if you are clicking at sheet 2, you can see another sheet. Okay, this is sheet 2, and this one sheet 3. Okay, so it have 3 spreadsheets, and this is a workbook. Okay, so this is a workbook and it have minimum 3 pages or spreadsheets, and we can add more sheets by clicking here. Can you see? Yeah, here there is one option, and you can see that if you go there, you can see the option. Can you see? Insert worksheet. Okay, in this way we can add more sheets on this workbook. Workbook is just like a notebook, and its pages are similar to spreadsheets. These boxes are called cells. Okay, and here you can see, if I am clicking over here, another cell. Okay, each cell have a cell address. Okay, how we can give a cell address? For that we are using the column letters and row numbers. These are column letters, A to Z is the right column letters, and these are the row numbers. Okay, and the cell address is A1. A means it's the column letter and 1 is the row number. Can you say this one? What will be the cell address? Yes, it's B6. Okay, so the cell address is B6. If I am moving here, can you see the cell address? Yes, it will be G17. If I am clicking over this cell, what will be the cell address? Yes, it's N22. Okay, so this is actually the column letters, and these are the row numbers, and this is actually cell. Can you see there is one N22? This is the name box. You know, now which cell we selected? What is the cell reference here? This is N. Yeah, it's N22. So which cell we selected here? We can see the cell reference here. And you can see this one, D7. Can you see? Name box. This is the use of name box. We can see the selected, the name of the selected cell over the B4. Yes, it's B8. Can you see? This is the name box. Then status bar. It's very easy. The bottom. This is actually the status bar. We can see the status bar at the bottom. And title bar. This is the title bar, and we can say, we can give the name of title bar. We can give the name of the workbook over the title bar. Okay, and the next is formula bar. This is actually called the formula bar because we already say that a spreadsheet is used to do calculations. So we have to give some formulas for addition, subtraction, division, or average, like that. So in this space we can give the what formulas for the yes, the work. This is actually called the work area, and here you can see two scroll bar. Can you see this one? Yeah, this is the first horizontal scroll bar, and you can see here the vertical scroll bar. This is actually the vertical scroll bar. So it have two scroll bars, horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, and this is the work area.